Previously, I reviewed this UV phone sterilizing box from PWPAM. This video was really popular, and I will say, if I do say so myself, really well done video. I'll put a link to this thing up above. Check it out because this thing actually works for killing bacteria on phones or keys or whatever else you might put in here. So check this one out. PWPAM occasionally writes to me and says, hey, we have some other products. Are you interested in checking them out? And I'm always interested in checking out new products. So today we have this little portable, compact camping light, emergency light, party light even. Kind of an interesting design, and we'll check this one out. This comes in white and blue. It is made of plastic and has this kind of ridged design there. Costs $25, links down below, you can check it out. This light has a built-in 3000 milliamp hour battery, which charges with the included, in case you don't already have 50 of these, USB-C cable. Plugs in right here. Lights up red, a little light while it's charging, and then that light goes out when it's fully charged. It does take a couple hours to fully charge. The way the light's constructed is that on the front here, there's a light which lights up, but you can also twist it and then accordion it open like this, and then you have more of an area light here that you can set on a table and light up more of an area. From closed, on the back here, there's also a handle that comes out that you can use to hang it, or if you want to actually kind of use this as a flashlight, you can carry it around kind of like this. There's a button here on the back which controls all of it. It has 4 modes. Every time you turn it on, let me open it up. Turn it on and it's going to go to the maximum brightness. This is a warm light, 3000 Kelvin, and if you hold the light down, it will ramp down all the way down to the bottom. There'll be a small blip there to see it's the bottom, and then it ramps back up. There's no blip at the top. You kind of can miss the top. I would like there to be a little signal at the top for it to stay there, but not a big deal. They don't give brightnesses on the lumen output. If I'm reading the times correctly in this included pamphlet that they send, I think that's saying that on the maximum brightness it will go 7 hours, and on the dim brightness it will go 66 hours. So 7 hours on this area light gets you a pretty good amount of time if it's a blackout or emergency, something like that. From there, you then click this button again, and it is going to go into this morphing. It goes through 7 different colors. Light blue, green, kind of a turquoise. Goes through a couple different colors, and this is probably more of a, I guess, an atmosphere party kind of light. This admittedly does not put out a ton of light in this mode, but maybe something to have kind of on the shelf, giving you some mood light somewhere, wherever you might have it. The light does come out of both the top and the side. Click it the next time and it's going to go into this flashing red and blue strobe, kind of like a police car. Guess you can use this as sort of an emergency beacon if you need to set it out somewhere. Again, not a ton of light, but it does have kind of this interesting flashing mode. And then the next mode after that is just a flashing red SOS. Short, 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 long, 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 short, short, short. Press it the next time and it goes off. I would like this to have a solid red mode, because if this is something emergency or a camping lantern, a solid red mode for night blindness would be a nice addition. And if you're going to have that, have some way to get to it that you don't need to go through that full bright mode to get to it. Maybe like a long press from off gets it into the solid red or something like that. But if I was going to modify the user interface, there's obviously already red light in this. Having a solid red that you could access would be a nice option for that. You can use this as an area light, like I said, like this. You can hang it as an area light. The top of this also has a magnet on it. It's not a super strong magnet, so if you set it on the side of a refrigerator, it's going to slide down. However, if say you're trying to work on your car in an emergency somewhere, you can stick this up and it will stick to some metal on the underside of the hood, and you can use it for some downlighting, either directly like this or with that area light. So overall, kind of a neat light from them. A couple different ways you can use this. Doesn't put out a super ton of light, but if it's in a blackout and you wanted to light up a room, it does put out a decent amount of area light in a dark room, especially on this bright mode, which I think you get for 7 hours. Again, plenty of time. So check this one out from PWPAM, the emergency camping lantern, party light, flashlight, nifty little thing. Links down below. Check it out.
Thank you.